my name is Lisa if you're new. Today I'm gonna make a haul of mostly breakfast items. I'm gonna make different hauls and just put them together because I don't often buy much food at a time. So I'm gonna start here with the breakfast items. There is some Rice Krispies cereal and also some Cheerios for the kids if they want to have that. And then we have also some roast and toast bread here. This is my favorite bread, just the toast in the morning. And also some cheese, some Jarlsberg cheese to slice up in the morning. And also some caviar, a Swedish item. It's like smoked fish roe. I think I have shown this in other hauls before. And for fruit this week I just bought some oranges, and also for the sandwich or the toast I bought some ham. This is oven roasted ham, 2 packages of those, and 4 milks, and 2 watermelon yogurts. This is my kids' favorite, but I bought 2 today. I often don't buy yogurt with the flavor, just regular, but today I was kind to my kids, so I bought 2 with the watermelon. And some butter spread, Flora, it's our favorite brand, it's really good. And for the cats, of course, some cat food, 4 cans of Whiskas, and also some Friskies for the cats, and also 2 of these trash bags. So that's the whole that or the food I bought today. So I think I'm gonna put a lot of different hauls together because they are often so small. So we'll see when I post this video with all the hauls together. So today it's Saturday and we are just gonna have some hamburgers for dinner. So I'm just gonna cook them up in my pan, and we also have these hamburger buns, and I have also sliced up some tomatoes, some cucumbers and some onions. And in my fridge I also have some dressing, some mustard and some ketchup. We often have like fries or something like that with our burgers, but today we're just gonna eat them as they are, with no fries today. So today it's Monday and we are just have a very simple meal. Because my daughter is going to swimming lessons, we have to have quite easy meals on Mondays. So it's just gonna be fish sticks and some rice. So the rice is boiling here, and I'm gonna start making the fish sticks that is inside. So not really cooking from the scratch today. So for the fish sticks we're gonna have some rice and some wok wedgies. And I just wanna show you my kids' gingerbread house that they was decorating yesterday, as you can see here. So that was fun for them. So today I'm baking again. So I'm just gonna make some cinnamon. Not cinnamon buns, but it's the same base recipe, just that you put some cardamom also in the dough. So you put the cardamom, about 2 to 3 teaspoons with cardamom, when you have heated up the milk and blend it with the yeast and the sugar and the butter. You just put the cardamom also inside, and then you just do it like a regular cinnamon bun dough. And then I have made this thing to go on, like the filling in the buns. It's butter, sugar, and some the gingerbread spice that I made in my last video. I put everything in this bowl also with some almond paste that I had left from another recipe I'm gonna share with you. But this will be like a gingerbread cinnamon rolls. I'm very excited because I have not done this kind of cinnamon buns with the ginger spice inside before. So I hope this will be a nice recipe. So stay tuned for the result. So here is the buns, the one with the gingerbread spice inside. And I also made just some regular cardamom buns with no filling. They're also really nice to have with your coffee in the morning. So now they will rise for about 1 hour, and then I will put them in the oven. So here you have all my buns that I made. The ones without any filling on the right, and the ones with the ginger spice filling on the left. I really enjoyed doing them. It takes a bit of time, but it's really worth it when you're done and you take them in the morning with your coffee, or with a coffee anytime. So it's really nice. You should try it, really.